What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. Thanks a million if you've clicked on the video and you're new. Do check out my other videos, get involved, do fucking smash the subscribe button, the like button, and do comment below because I do read your comments. If you want to follow me on Instagram, guys, please do. You can follow me on there. I just post pictures of cars because I don't have a car project right now. I'm still working on that. But yeah, if you want to send me any stories or links or any videos you want me to check out, I'll give you a shout out on the channel, on my videos, over Instagram page as well. Yeah, and on today's episode we're just going to cover basically Donut Media's latest video of the Devel 16. I actually found this very interesting, and so as a lot of car heads know, Devel 16 is a UAE Arab hyper car, whatever you want to call it, that is still in production, and Donut Media did a very good coverage on it and where it started from, where it is now, what's going on with it. And I never really got into the 16. I don't know why, because it's just like you always see on Facebook car groups or Instagram, there's always some fucking fairy who's like, oh, what's the fastest car in the world? And they're like, the 16. It's like, it isn't, you know, until they do the run, it isn't. But at least with Donut Media's video, you could see that there is stuff getting there. And the thing is, they actually showed a clip of the 16, the V16 engine actually running, which was pretty cool. So I'm going to show you that quick clip because this thing is a fucking beast.
The engine in question was a sort of Frankenstein LS, actually two LSs fused together by Michigan high-performance engine builder Steve Morris.
There you go, guys. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. So the specs of the 16, if you haven't heard, which I'm presuming you have, is 2.2 million for the car, 12.3 litre V16, 5,000 horsepower with 3,500 foot-pounds of torque. It's an automatic all-wheel drive. Supercar Blondie was the first person outside of the company to actually drive it. Now, just drove it. Like we've never seen it do any pulls or nothing like that. But we found out with Donut Media, it was a very good video about who the head engineer or whatever his name was actually running the project, and that, you know, the engine is there, but the problems they're having basically is, if you're going to be able to go over 300 miles an hour, just think of the downforce. Like, I mean, your car would be crushed to the ground. You have to have unbelievable suspension to hold it up, and the cockpit and everything has to be able to you know, hold on, be able to sustain the pressure and stuff like that. And you know, keeping the car to the ground, it's just insane. Like those kind of specs that it's saying. I mean, do I think it'll ever go into production? I don't know. It's a cool looking car, don't get me wrong. I mean, if I had 2.2 million, you wouldn't say no to one. But sure, where the fuck are you going to be going around driving 350 miles an hour? That's going to be for the track. That's obviously, as I said in Donut Media's video, I highly recommend go watch, guys. The VW track for the Chiron is probably the only place you could maybe even test it. And even at that, probably wouldn't have enough room. You need to be out in the desert with a fucking, probably a 4 or 5 mile road to even see what that thing can do. But yeah, it's interesting that they say the amount of issues that they're having, where it came from the start, where it is now. I mean, at this stage, like with all the logistics problems they're having with the aero and stuff like that, I would like to see it be done. I mean, look, I know that Drizzy Drake, I think they said put it in order. Supposedly Snoop Dogg, like, I mean, I can't really see it happen. Unless they work it out. But at that kind of speed and that kind of power, you wonder really. But question to you guys, comment below. Do you think this car is going to come in production or not? Would you buy one if you had the money? Where would you run it? I mean, it's insane. But it's a very good video by Donut Media. I highly recommend go check it out and let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Will we ever see this car in production and flying down the fucking road? God knows. I mean, look, we can only hope and pray, but I don't know, guys. I'm not too sure this is going to happen with the way, if you watch the video, you can kind of go, I don't know, but we will wait and see. So decided to bring this quick video for you guys. Just to let you know. Hopefully you liked it. Again, do smash the subscribe button, hit the like button for the YouTube shitty algorithm, and do comment below. So until the next video, guys, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.